Hello, this is Origami Academy. Today I'm going to make marigold. So I'm going to use scissors and glue and two pieces of origami. So first of all, I'm going to fold to half. I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna fold again. I'm going to cut. So you can make 4 piece paper. You can cut it and make it full. So same. I'm gonna fold and cut. I'm going to cut all of the origami paper that I have, make it together and fold into half. You can cut edge of the paper like this, and you make okay, it's too much. I'm gonna make half of it first of all. So you can cut it, and this is gonna be the flower. So you can cut, and you can make it like this part is not square-ish. You can make it more type of shape you like. So I'm gonna cut it a little bit. I'm gonna open this up and I'm gonna cut it. Whatever shape you want, you can make it. This is gonna be the flower part of it's gonna be the central part of the flower. So I'm gonna do the same. I'm gonna cut it like this. After you cut the paper, I'm going to put glue on the edge of the paper like this. I'm going to roll this paper. You should make a curve, the white part of the origami paper, and I'm going to make another paper, roll up, put glue like this, put this, and you can make like this. You can curl the flower, paper like this. Okay, I'm going to use different color here. So I'm gonna use 2 different color of the paper, and I'm gonna do the same exactly things. So I'm gonna put glue. It really depends on which color you like, like if you like all same color flower, you just can use the other less paper of origami. But I like the color mixed, so I'm gonna use different color of the origami. So make sure it's not getting loose. Actually, it's super loose. It's difficult. It's definitely the most difficult part of this craft, So make sure everything is so tight, and you roll up this. And another super loose. Let me see. So after you connect all of the paper, you can make this as you can open this paper up. So make sure, first of all, I'm gonna fold this area this way. It's going to look definitely amazing. So I'm gonna do like this. Okay, this is it. It's perfectly done. If you wanna put leaf to this flower, you can fold, you can make a triangle, then you can fold it. This. You can cut it. Roll this paper up a little bit and you can connect this with this flower. So I'm going to put glue here on the flower part. And I'm going to connect with the green leaf part. And I'm gonna fold a little bit with leaf. It's finished. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe and hit the like button and share this video with your friend and give me a comment what origami you want to see in my channel. Thank you. Enjoy your origami life.